Alright, today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Cash app. So this is an app that you can actually use to transfer money between you and maybe some of your friends, or if you need to pay somebody. So this is an app that I use pretty often. It's pretty good. It's pretty quick, convenient. So I've already downloaded it through the App Store. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so here we are. We are in the App Store for Apple. If you use an Android, I'm sure you know, you just kind of go to the Google Play Store. But on the Cash app, this is the logo you want to look for. This is a Square transaction processing company. It's not branded as Square, but it's a pretty large, reputable company. A lot of times if you see people making payments on like an iPhone or an iPad at a store, they're usually using Square. So this is their version of transferring cash. So we'll go ahead and open up the app now. So once you've downloaded the app, this is what it looks like inside. So basically, there's not really a lot of options inside of this app. So you can request money here, or you can pay money right there at the bottom. So if you click right here, you can see the history of payments. You can see all the different transactions right there. Of course, I blocked out the left side because that's who I sent money to. Yeah, it's just a quick, easiest way to send small transactions, as you can see right there on the right side. We'll go back. If you're going to be sending money, you just kind of type in how much you're going to pay, $5, and then you click pay, and then you would just put whoever you're going to be sending money to right here. You can use their username, or if you know their name, their phone number, or their email, you can just put it there, and then they'll get a notification that they have money there. And then down here, you're going to show people that you have sent money to recently. And then right here, you can make a note. I think you can only put like 80 characters there, just notating what the payment's for. Always be sure to check to make sure this dollar amount right here is the amount that you want to send, because once it's gone, I'm not sure how easy it is to recall. So up here on the top left, there's a profile right here. And then here you can choose to have a security lock on your app. And what that does is each time you log into the app, in order to send money, you need to use your thumbprint for the newer iPhones. I'm not too sure about Android. So down here you can see the balance. Mine is 0, as you can see, but when you are sending money, it immediately just pulls it from whatever bank account that you set up the app with. You can add funds in, that way it's readily available, but I don't. I just transfer money and then just wait for it to come out of my bank account. You can share the app right here. They're running a promotion right now that if you share the app and the other person that you recommend the app to signs up, and then once they make their first transaction, you get $5. And the person you send it to gets $5 in the app. So if you don't have this account, be sure to click the description below for my link, and that way you get a promotion amount if it's still running when you're watching this video. When you sign up for the app, it doesn't cost you anything extra. Right here you can add your photo. I didn't actually put my photo in there. I don't really see a purpose behind it, but if you like to put your photo there, and that way when you're sending money or receiving money, that way the person can confirm it's you. That's up to you though. And then if you click right here on the top, they just recently set up an update so you can send either cash or Bitcoin. So you just click on that and you can see how much cash is in your wallet. Click on the right here, you can buy and sell Bitcoin through this app. If you don't know what Bitcoin is, you could just search online. As you can see right now, one Bitcoin is worth $10,103. And if you want to go ahead and request money from someone, you just want to click request. And then as you can see, it's a similar feature as if you're going to be sending money. So you would just put their phone number or username or whatever to get access to who you're going to send a request to. You can let them know what the request is for. If you're going to be transferring between friends, like if you're at dinner or something like that, you can click on the blue button there, enable nearby. And that way, if you and a group of maybe 5 or 6 folks are there and you want to connect to them easily, this will connect your app with their app if they're in the immediate vicinity. If you have that enabled, I don't have that enabled. For me, that wouldn't work for what I use this app for, but if it works for you, then so be it. So basically, this is the Cash app. I think it's pretty useful. It's not life-changing, but it's a pretty easy and cheap way to send money between you and friends. There's no fee to me to send money, and there's no fee to the person who's receiving the money, just as long as you're using it from a bank account transfer, not credit card. So yeah, be sure to click the description below if you have more questions. There might be some more information in there. And thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you on the next video.